Are you still dropping big money on AI tools just to get motion control? Dude, hold up. Watch this whole video because today I'm gonna show you an AI tool where you can make motion control videos completely free using free credits. Not only the tool, I will also show you the undetected unlimited account for unlimited credit method also. So stick around till the end, it's gonna be worth it. And hey, if this is your first time here, smash that like button and subscribe because you're gonna see a ton more content like this. Alright, let's dive right in. So what do you need to do? Just pop open any browser. Doesn't matter if you're on your phone or your laptop. It works great on mobile too. Cool? So first, open up your browser and search for a tool called Create. Just type that into your search bar. The first website that pops up is the one you want. Go ahead and click on it. Now, when the site loads up, you need to make a sign up using your email. Here's the best part. The second you sign up, you get 80 credits completely free right off the bat. You get 30 free credits every single day, plus a 50 credit bonus just for logging in. So that's 80 credits total. But as I said in first, I have the way to get undetected unlimited credits. All you need to keep watch me carefully. Now look, there's a ton you can do on here. If I broke down every feature, we would be here all day. So let's just focus on motion control since that's what we came for. You will find a bunch of options like images and videos on here. You can check out them. But for motion control specifically, look for the AI video option and click on that. Once you are in, you will see a few choices pop up: text to video, image to video, last frame to video, and reference to video. But what you actually want is motion mimicry. Select that, and then you'll see options like Kling and 3.0 show up. Go ahead and pick 2.6. After that, you will see your resolution options. You can go 1080p or 720p, totally up to you. Just know 1080p burns through more credits, so you'll run out faster. If you go 720p, it uses about half, so you're saving credits. That way you'll have some left over, plus you're getting that daily 30 credit refill, so you could squeeze out an extra video. So yeah, that's the move. Alright, let me actually show you how to make one. Once you've picked all your settings, you will need to upload two things: the video whose motion you want to copy and the image you want to apply that motion. So click Add Motion and upload the reference video. Once that uploads, upload your image, the one you want the motion apply. Quick heads up, keep your image under 10 MB. Honestly, smaller is even better. Then you'll type in a quick prompt, something simple like copy motion from this video, or motion control, or motion copy from the video. Keep it short and sweet. Now check this out. I have got 53 credits being used here, and 27 left over. Plus tomorrow's daily 30 credits kick in, so I'll be back up to 57. Whenever I will show you how to generate video from here by using 3 to 5 credits only. Now, if I switch over to 1080p real quick, watch all 90 credits get used up in one shot. So you can absolutely do that, but you will only be able to generate one shortest video at a time. So I'll go with 720p here, and you'll see the generate button. Just click it. Once you hit generate, your video starts processing. Now here's the deal, you gotta wait, usually 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes up to 5. It really depends on your video length. Is it 10 seconds, 12 seconds? Longer clips just take more time to process. Alright, and there it is. My video's already done. Took literally 1 minute to generate. And one thing to watch for, sometimes the screen goes blank on you. If that happens, just click once in the history and choose your project. Once it loads back in, you'll see your video sitting right there, ready to go. Now click here to download the video, and real quick I am showing you the result first. Look at that, clean video, zero watermark. Nothing weird going on. Now come to our first trick. To get undetected, unlimited login, all you need to do is open a new tab and search for this website. First log in here, and now from here choose the option Temp Mail Generator V2. Now scroll down, and here all you need to do is paste your own Gmail. Now get the allies and go back to our website. Now from here, you can simply use this as much time as you want to make unlimited account and make your video. Look at here, we have 77 credits, but before we had 80 credits, and they asked for 57 credits for one video, but here they used only 3. Let me show you clearly to that. You won't think that it's an edit or something else. I think you got it that it is real. So to do it, simply tap on this 3 dot and open Chrome Web Store. Now search for Urban VPN and open the first one. Now all you need to do is add this into your browser and connect into Japan server. I have their window application, so I use the app, but you can use this one too. So this was the amazing tricks to generate unlimited motion control video for free. Hope this video helps you a lot. If it did, please make a subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one.